Not so long ago I was able to purchase off of internet a set of 10 closed goods wagons, gesloten goederen wagons. The Americans would call these boxcars. They have a sliding door for placing goods of any type inside of a car that needed coverings. They were in new condition, so I decided to try my hand at weathering the wagons or cars. The roofs in particular were pristine, so I put a little bit of wash together and I roughened up the roof a little bit with some sandpaper and then put the wash on, a couple of different colors, and then put a matte varnish over the top, some various effects just to give it a little bit of life. And on the sides is simply a little bit of wash and then a matte varnish, so just to give them a slightly used look. Not overdoing it. Anyway, a nice addition to the fleet, since I want to represent handling animal feed in sacks from the animal feed mixing plant, sugar sacks, produced sugar from the sugar mill, auto parts going to the auto assembly plant, and various supplies perhaps coming from the brewery, like used hops and malt, which would then go to the feedstock plant, and any other general goods that couldn't be stored in an open goods wagon but needed covering up to be transported, needed to be dry. So I didn't actually have any closed goods wagons to represent that type of transport. So I'm quite pleased with this purchase, 10 wagons, and this is the result.